Yes, good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School, Class 7, Subject English. In last class, we saw a prose lesson. In today's class, we are going to see a new poem. The poem name is Tree. This poem was written by Shirley Bower. She was born on October 17, 1944 and died on May 17, 2011. She was cancer patient last 7 months and she was survived with his brother. Yes, let me start the poem. The poem name is Trees, written by Shirley Bower. This poem mainly talks about all the advantages of the tree. There are many advantages we are getting from the trees. For example, fruits and shades. So, there are many advantages in trees we are getting from the trees. In this poem, the author emphasizes all the advantages of the trees and what we get from the trees. These are the things the author discussed in this poem. Yes, in this poem, we are going to discuss about the advantages. Yes, let us move to the poem. This poem is about the simple way in which trees brings us happiness every day. We all have plants in our home and we also planted trees. Yes, mostly what are the trees we have in your home? Mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree, etc. But in this poem, the author discuss about the other advantages of the trees. Yes, now we move to the poem. First, I recite the poem, then I explain it. Yes, now take page number 83, the poem name Trees. First, I recite the poem. Listen carefully. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree house in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kids to get loft in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make feathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." Now we see the line by line explanation. The first line is trees are for birds. We know birds are used to live in trees because trees are the home for birds. The second line is trees are for children. This line says that in those days children used to play under the trees, but nowadays we don't play because we are concentrated on full of mobiles, internets and television. But in those days the children used to play under the trees with their friends and families, and also they enjoyed their life. The third line is trees are to make tree house in. In this line the author says that, have you ever seen tree house? Yes, I think so. Mostly all will not see, but you can see in this display. This is tree house. On the top of the tree they will make a small house. For their vacations, they used to spend their time with the tree house. So this is the tree house you can see in this display. The next line is trees are to swings on. In this line, the author says that children are used them to play games. They have their swings on a tree, and mostly all the children used to play under the tree in a summer holidays, and mostly children are used to play under the trees. The next line is trees are for the wind to blow through. In this line, the author says that in rainy season you can find this wind blow. Wind blow means the trees move from one side to another side with high speed of wind. You can also see in this display. Yes, now we move to the next line. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Have you ever played hide and seek game? Yes, mostly all will play the game because it is our favorite game. And what you will feel when we play hide and seek game? Yes, we feel very happy because we will play with our friends and families, and that time we get more happy. So it gives us some happiness. Trees give some happiness. Next line is trees are to have tea parties under. In this line, the author says that the families are enjoy tree party under shadow gives tree. We know that when we are in summer season, we used to go and sit under the tree in evening time, and we have some cup of coffee. We all will experience that, and we know that uses of tree in summer seasons. These are the things the author discussed in this line. The next line is trees are for kids to get lost in. In this line, the author says that children used to enjoy the day with their friends under the tree, and also they feel very happy when they are playing with their friends. They used to laugh with loud voice because they are expressing their enjoyment. These are the things the author discussed in this line. The next line is trees are to make cool shade in summer. In this line, the author says that in summer season, what we will feel is we feel very hot and sweat, and also we can not comfortable, and we feel uncomfortable when we are inside the room. But the author says that trees provides a shade in the summer, because in summer season we can spend our days with the trees, and we can also observe the nature, and we can enjoy the day with full of happiness. The next line is trees are to make no shade in winter. In this line, the author says that in winter season, the trees will not give shade. For what reason the trees will not give shade? Because the leaves are fall down in autumn season. You can also see in this display the orange color, the yellowish tree. It refers to the leaves are fall down. Have you ever observed the trees in autumn season? How it seems? The trees look without leaves. So that the author said that trees are to make no shade in winter. Yes. Now we move to the next lines. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. In this line, the author said that trees also give us delicious fruits and vegetables because we can't survive without trees and plants because we are dependent on trees because they give some fruits and vegetable because then only we can lead our life. So in this way the trees are very important to human life. The next line is trees are to chop down and call, trees make mothers say. What a lovely pictures to paint. In this line, the author says that when we cut the trees, and that time also the trees are used to construct the house and make the furnitures. For that also, the trees are helping for the humankind. Next line, trees makes mother says, what a lovely pictures to paint. In this line, the author says that the mothers are so attracted by them and that they can help painting a lovely scenes. And when the ground is covered with fallen leaves, we can also remember the how we gather all the leaves with a rake. Yes, what is meant by rake? Yes, rake means a garden tool. Yes, you can also see in this display a father is having a rake. It's in a garden tool. Yes, these are the things the author discussed in this poem. Once again, I recite the poem. You listen carefully. Take page number 83. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree house in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kids to get laughed in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and tears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother says, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees makes father says, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. That's all, students. These are the things the author discussed in this poem. Now I read the paragraphs. You listen carefully. Trees are very useful. Trees are useful for men and animals, children and birds. They are useful for every living being. Trees are used to make house. Children use them to play games. They have their wings on a tree. They hide behind the tree in the game of hide and seek. There are different types of trees. Some trees provide us cool shade in summer. There are some tall trees like the date palm. They give us no shade, but it is a pleasure to be with such tree in winter. In the game of kite flying, the trees also participate. They catch the kites. Trees make a lovely scenes which the ladies want to make and paint. During the fall, the ground is covered with fallen leaves. The father has to gather them with a rag. Yes, that's all, students. This is a summary of this poem. Now, we write the classwork note based on this poem. Yes, take your English classwork note and start write the classwork note. First, you write the index page, serial number 14, the poem name. It is the name of the Chapter Tree. After writing the index page, start writing the mind map. Then take a fresh page and start write the poem name in the top of the page and write the title mind map. You should use pencils for drawing and use blue pen for writing. Trees. People get to eat delicious fruit like apples and pear. The trees are used by birds. Trees are used by children. Children love to play hide and seek. Birds live in the tree and build their nest. After writing the mind map, turn the page and start writing the next part. Write, answer the following. The first question is, what are the games or human activities which use tree or in which tree also participate? The answer is, the children play hide and seek or swinging on its branches, make tree house or have a tea party under it. During summer, we relax under its cool shade. Now, we move to the second question. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does it mean? The answer is, during winter, we play in sunny place with trees around like parks. The third question is, trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? The answer is yes. One purpose of tree is to have fruits, and poet humorously says apples and pears, which are most common fruit. After writing the question and answer, you start writing the answer in paragraph. The question is, write the summary of the poem Trees. Poem name, Tree. Author name, Shirley Burwer. The answer is, Shirley Burwer explains in the poem the benefits of trees in our life. Trees gives shelter to all living creatures, especially birds. Children love to play under the trees. Games like hide and seek or swinging on its branches. Adults have tea parties under its shade. Trees also make kids loft in their branches. Trees provide tasty fruits like apples and pears. They give us timber and inspire mothers to paint lovely pictures, but makes fathers complain that in autumn they have lots of leaves to rake. Yes, that's all students. These are the things you are going to write in your classwork note. We also attached PDF along with this video. You download the PDF and start write the classwork note. You should bring your classwork note to the school on the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.